Hi, I'm Jessica and welcome to episode 6 already, of Toyota Talks with me. All right, question number 1 comes from Jeff. He wants to know, how can I protect my car's paint from love bugs and the sun this summer? Yes, I hate love bugs too. Well, your best bet is to wash your car often. You've probably heard of this already, but love bugs can really damage your car, which I don't understand why they call them love, because there's nothing to love about that. You want to apply a coat or 2 of good wax. Wax will protect your car's paint from love bugs, road debris, the sun, and moisture, and keep it looking like new all summer long, so you can be, as the millennials say, styling all summer long. Because I'm a millennial in my head. All right, now here's question number 2. Tammy wants to know, Jessica, what's in your Netflix queue? There's so many. Sometimes I do a couple of throwbacks. I have a kid, so we do a lot of cartoons. But my favorite is Stranger Things. I cannot wait for it to come out. I'm so excited, and you'll see it all over my social media, so I apologize beforehand. I love Stranger Things. Question number 3, Brian wants to know, can I do dent repairs at home on my own? Personally, I wouldn't dare, but that's just me because I could barely get my nails painted. It just depends on the dent or the repairs that you need. Honestly, small dents can usually be fixed at home, although you'll need special tools to pop them out. However, if the dent is large or it's pretty much affecting the car as a whole, you'll definitely want to stop by our body shop. Our techs can take a look at it because it could require a more intensive repair than you can do at home. So I would suggest you stop by our shop first before you try anything at home. I mean, that's just me, but that's probably a good idea to stop by here first. Question number 4, Leslie wants to know, your makeup is always on point. What's your favorite brand? Well, I don't want to sound bougie, but I love MAC. MAC always works, especially since I'm always under the sun. And now, the lipstick I've been using lately is from the Disney Aladdin collection, which makes me feel like I'm 7 again. And it is so cute. It is Princess Incognito, so it's like a nude color. I suggest. All right, question number 5 comes from Cam, and Cam wants to know, what hybrids are available right now? Well, good news. There are plenty of hybrids available here with us. Cam, you've got tons of options right now. There are actually 8 hybrid cars up for grabs at our Toyota dealership. You can choose from SUVs like the Toyota RAV4. I did a test drive on that one, love it. Or Toyota Highlander, hybrid hatchbacks like the Toyota Prius, Prius Prime, and Prius C, or sedans like the Toyota Camry, Toyota Avalon, or the all-new 2020 Toyota Corolla, which a friend of mine owns, and it is absolutely amazing and beautiful. So you may want to try out that one too. There are tons of options, so we know we can help you find the perfect fit right now. So that concludes another episode of Toyota Talks.